Are you looking for a new boiler? Do you live in Billingham or the surrounding area? Then call Red Chilli Heating for a free quotation today. Red Chilli Heating can supply and install quality boilers that will provide a stable, consistent flow of hot water and heating to your home. Red Chilli Heating can also service your boiler, which is highly recommended to ensure that your boiler is running safely and efficiently. Red Chilli Heating can supply and fit a range of high-quality boilers such as Baxi and Worcester. We also provide boiler installation in Billingham, Stockton, Norton, Middlesbrough, Thornaby, Hartlepool, and all surrounding towns within the Teesside area. For a free, no-obligation quotation, call Red Chilli Heating on 07841 448028 today. We will be happy to receive your call and arrange a visit to give you a competitive quote to have your new boiler installed. We look forward to your call. Call the number and speak to Adam today.